is Daniela Jimenez de Avila. I am 20 years old. I am from the municipality of Plato Magdalena. My birthday is on October the 9th. I currently live in my Guajira due to conflict of violence. I am single. I have 2 brothers, but since I was a child, I only live with one. Punto ahí. My father died of cancer, so I currently live with my mother and my stepfather. Punto ahí. I am a Christian. My church is called Zion, the City of Jehovah. I am currently studying psychology at the Open and Distance University, thanks to a scholarship they gave me. Daily routine. My day begins thanking God for a new day. I fix my bed. I go to the bathroom to brush. I take a bath. Then I prepare breakfast for my brothers. And with them, I help them with their homeworks. I make lunch. Then, when my mom comes, I go to my car to connect. Know my activities, comma. Sometimes I stay at a friend's house, but more often than not,